before I even told him where he says back in that room where the stove is where the whistler hangs out and hides. He said it's where he saw the reflection in this window here. So that's what I'm gonna put this on. Can you, if you move and get into those lights, we'll be able to see your shadow. He said this was, he is seen as a shadow figure. Do you think you can move around a little for us? Can you manifest into the lights? They say they see you as a shadow. We sure like to see you. Are you not being very talkative tonight? I think we've picked up your energy. What do you get? You're only staying in the green here, right? A little bit orange. You can walk back over there again. Up in the red again?
Yep.
Right there in that corner. He said that's where he likes to hang out, back in that corner there. Is that you were reading on that meter? You can see that you're setting it off. Can you touch Ralph? Can you knock on that wall for us, please? Now he's moving over a little, looks like.
Are you going to the window?
He's not going to show himself on the laser. Let's hold off on that then for now.
Seems like that, yeah, the K2 is getting the best results.
Yeah. And they said that's where the shadow figure hangs out.
You in this corner back here? Won't you come out and let us show us you here?
He said that there's absolutely no electricity, no security or nothing over there. Look at that. That's pinned.
It ain't even just every once in a while it'll blink, but most of the time it's solid.
Can you show yourself over there? Can you at least knock on the wall? Do you want us to leave? If you want us to leave, can you knock on the wall? We'll leave you alone if you show us, give us some sign of your presence.
Are you sitting in the corner?
You trying to just stay out of our way? Is that what it is? Hiding kind of in the corner back there?